Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Semsogleus, trading content specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing a potential trading idea for the week, the factors affecting it, and which data from the economic calendar could affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. So the idea was a buy on Nasdaq with a target around 24,100. The idea was completely accurate, with the index reaching and exceeding the target. Now for this week, we are looking at crude oil for a potential buy trade with a target around $65. The price has found sufficient support on the $62 price area, which is still a major technical support level on the chart. The stochastic oscillator is back in neutral levels, hinting that there is potential for the price to continue its recent bullish correction, while the target area of 65 is a combination of previous price reaction and the dynamic resistance between the two moving averages. The main narrative behind this week's idea is the Commitment of Traders report, which is showing that the commercial traders are at a 10-year high. When commercial traders rise, then it means that they consider the price of the asset to be relatively cheap and are buying more in the futures market, and inevitably pushing the price to the upside in the near short term. Also, fears of more Western sanctions were offset by oversupply by the OPEC+, limiting the downside risk. In terms of economic data for this week that investors need to pay attention to are the Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday, as well as the decisions of Bank of Canada and Bank of England. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is a buy on crude oil with a potential target around $65. The main narrative is the 10-year high on the Commitment of Traders report, as well as the offset of the Western sanctions with the OPEC+ oversupply. The economic data that investors need to pay attention to are the meetings of major central banks like the Fed, the Bank of Canada, and the Bank of England. Remember, this is not a signal, it is just an idea for a trade. It's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.